I'm doing a bike check. Starting from the top, got Charlie Crumlish Merit grips, ODI bar ends, because I didn't put the Merit one on because I didn't feel like fucking them up yet. S&M Mike Hoder bars, 8.75 rise. I cut them down to 27 wide. Merit inaugural top load, Odyssey fork bolt, whatever you want to call it. Odyssey headset. Odyssey Director forks. They're not bent. They probably look bent as fuck though because of the fisheye, but they don't. They're made without
they
dropouts.
Look like they're crackable.
My front rim is just some random Alienation rim, no big deal. Running 2.25 Fit Fast tan wall in the front. Looks like vomit. I have a Fit Benny L frame. I don't know the size, so anyway. Federal something fat seat, Colt fucking post. Eclat tibia cranks, Primo bottom bracket. I'm pretty sure that's an S&M Tough Man sprocket. Pedals are Eclat Slash. I've actually been riding these for a long ass time, and none of the pegs are really whatever. But anyway. My back wheel is an Eclat rim. I don't know the model name. Fucking Primo Remix cassette hub. Staying on that cassette killer game. Same tire in the back, Fit Fast 2.25. This is a peg that came with my bike like forever ago. It's some random Fit peg. And the front one, I don't know what it is, but it has these fucking slots in it.
These like weird cutouts.
I can't explain to you what that is, but yeah, that's basically it. So I made a bike check because I couldn't look at that thing anymore. This is just dialed. Thanks for checking out my bike. That's basically it. I'm Alex. Thanks for watching this bike check. Rate, subscribe to... Stop being loud. Rate, subscribe, comment, shit. Subscribe to
help us.
Trevor's channel.
And thanks for watching.
Help me get sponsored by McDonald's. Yeah, that's about it. Right?
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Thanks for watching.